need a bind off that's slightly stretchier than a standard bind off. See, this one's kind of stiff and might have a little bit of restriction, but you need to, and you want it to be just about the same stretchiness as your cast on edge. So this is the cast on edge and this is the bind off edge. There's a really nice, easy cast off that you can do that's fast and easy, and it also doesn't have the disadvantage of twisting your yarn. And it's a very simple, easy to remember cast off. Basically, you knit two together to the back of the loop. So you insert your needle to the back of the loop, pull that through, and then put that stitch back onto the left-hand needle and continue that the entire way across. So knit two together, back of loop, put the needle back on the left, knit two together, back of loop, needle back on, knit two together, back of loop, and so on. You can use this with ribbed fabric. You can use this with plain stockinette, obviously, like I'm doing. You can do it with any other fabric that I've found, and it seems to give a stretchiness approximately equal to the cast on edge. So I find this works well on lengthwise scarves and blankets where you want the edges to look and feel similar on both sides of the garment. Knit two to the back of the loop, and then the last one, you're going to knit two to the back of the loop, and then just pull your yarn through. And once you've done that, what you're going to find is, when you compare that to the standard cast off, bind off, this is a little bit tight, and this is a little bit stretchier. So it's not quite as stretchy as the cast on edge, but it's similar in nature. And so that's one of the bind offs that's easy and stretchy and fast to do.